Eggs are very important for our health. How to consume lunch. How to consume dinner for dinner. How to make steamed chicken. The importance of weight loss. Maintaining a healthy body weight is essential for living a healthy life. Being overweight not only affects physical appearance but also increases the risk of various diseases. Obesity can lead to heart diseases, diabetes, high blood pressure, and joint pain. Losing weight improves physical health, makes a person feel lighter, and brings activeness to daily tasks. Benefits of weight loss: improves heart health, helps control blood pressure and diabetes, boosts immunity, enhances mental peace and self-confidence, improves sleep quality. Remember, the goal of losing weight is to stay healthy, not just to achieve beauty. A positive mindset and consistency will help you reach your destination. Here we will share a diet plan with you that will help you lose weight without exercise. This diet plan consists of 3 steps. Step number 1. Eggs are very important for our health. They are a great source of high-quality protein, which helps build and repair muscles. Eggs contain vitamin D that strengthens our bones. They also have omega-3 fatty acids, which are very beneficial for the heart and help in brain development. Additionally, they are rich in vitamins A, E, and B12, which improve eye health, help in blood formation, and strengthen the immune system. Eggs also contain antioxidants that keep us full for a long time and delay hunger. How to consume. You need to take 4 to 5 boiled eggs and separate the yolks, eating only the whites. You can also make an omelet from the egg whites to change the taste. Eat the omelet with brown bread. 2 hours later, have green tea or black coffee. Step number 2. Lunch. For lunch, prepare a salad with various vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, turnips, broccoli, tomatoes, and lettuce leaves. You can also add white or black chickpeas to the salad. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which is good for eye health. Broccoli is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen the immune system. Cucumbers contain 95% water, which helps keep you hydrated. They are also a good source of vitamin K, antioxidants, and fiber, which are beneficial for your bones, skin, and digestive system. Turnips contain vitamin C that boosts your immune system, along with fiber that keeps your digestive system healthy. They also have calcium, potassium, and antioxidants. Calcium and potassium are essential for bones and muscles, while antioxidants protect against cancer and heart diseases. Lettuce leaves are low in calories, making them best for weight loss. They are a good source of vitamin A, which is beneficial for the eyes and skin. Additionally, they contain iron and magnesium, which help in blood formation and muscle relaxation. These vegetables keep your stomach full for a long time, reducing hunger for several hours. How to consume. You can make a salad with all these vegetables, and 2 hours later you can drink green tea. Step number 3. Dinner for dinner, eat white meat such as fish or chicken. Fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and a good amount of protein, which are beneficial for heart health, strengthening your bones, supporting thyroid health, and are also easy to digest. Chicken is rich in high-quality protein, which helps repair your muscles. It also contains vitamin B6 that supports brain function and metabolism. Phosphorus in chicken strengthens your bones and teeth. Additionally, it is low in fat, especially skinless chicken breast, making it good for a healthy diet. We will teach you how to prepare steamed chicken without oil and with minimal spices. How to make steamed chicken. Take a chicken breast piece and make small holes in it using a fork. Then sprinkle salt to taste, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. Lightly brush the chicken with a small amount of oil. In a pot or pan, add 2 tablespoons of water and cook it on low heat. After 15 minutes, turn it over to the other side and cook for another 15 minutes. Serve it with brown bread. Make sure to eat it by 7 p.m. 2 hours later, drink green tea. Follow this diet plan until you reach your desired goal. You will notice a difference within 15 days, and your belly fat will reduce significantly. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.